My people, now welcome to this tutorial wey be say we don't promise una say we go to do. To see say una enjoy una phone wey be say una dey use just to make call, to receive message, to send message, to go for WhatsApp and to see Facebook and many other things like that. Many things dey wey be say we no know or for this our phone. Wey be say we go just dey use am and small time you go say, I no know wetin dey do the phone o, the phone dey hang o, the phone dey do this, the phone dey do that. Many people no know say at least maybe once in a month or 2 months you suppose to reset your phone just to see say just like you dey service your motor. Sometimes you go see plenty people go just download plenty application wey be say dem no need. If you no need any application, you no need to put am for inside your phone. But make we first look how dis our phone dey operate. E dey operate wetin dem dey call Android operating system. Wetin be Android? Android na robot wey be say for scientific lesson dem go tell us say robot wey be say e go do things for you. Na you go command am, na im go do am for you. The same thing with dis our phone. E get Android operating system. That means say anything wey you ask the phone to do for you, im go do for you. Even now sef, the phone dey talk to person. Yes, you tell am say do this one, e go say na so you want me to do am, you go say yes. Na so e be. But first make we look, if your phone no dey work for you well well, shey you put the right account for that phone? Which one be the account? The account na the Google account. Make we look am. Some people dem get this phone and because dem dey use wetin dem dey call Facebook, dem dey use Yahoo mail, dem think say dem no fit enjoy anything for this phone. If you wan enjoy am, make we go look account. You go go account. For inside setting, you go go account. When you press the account, you must have Google account. Because for inside this Google account, wey una fit see my own wey be akimsumonu@gmail.com. Na my Google account username be that. For this account, e go show you so many things. E go give you so many things wey be say you fit work with. For inside, I get calendar, I get Chrome wey be say I fit dey take browse internet. I get contact wey be say all the people wey be say I get their number for inside my phone, dey inside my contact, for inside my Google account o. And for inside the drive, you fit save video. Some people dey talk say my phone don full na, I no know wetin happen. It's because say you dey save for the inside the phone itself. If to say you dey save inside Google, anytime wey be say your phone lost or your phone scatter or anything, you no go lost all the picture wey be say you don take before. And so many other things wey be say you fit do with this Google. You must get Google account to enjoy your Android phone. If you no get am, that means say you no go fit enjoy Android phone with that. And how you go get Google account? Na to go to your setting. From inside setting, you go to account. From account, you go say add account. Account there. When you see Google account, you go come press am. You go come go. Because I no dey online now, that means say I no go fit do anything for here. If you wan do am, you must go online to do whatever you want to do. My people, this Google account dey very important if you wan enjoy your Android phone. If you no put Google account, you no go enjoy am. So if you dey get your own account, abeg go setting, go account and say add new account, then add Google account. Then you go fit set up your account. That account dey work with your phone. That account dey work with your phone. So anything wey be say your contact wey you get for inside phone, you fit save am inside that account. Sake of say when your phone lost, you no go say I lost my phone, so I no fit get your phone again, so give me your phone again, or my phone don spoil, all the thing wey dey inside scatter, just like wetin my own do yesterday. My own dey misbehave, na I say for where. And some people go say that means say I go computer village go reset this phone. Me, na me do am myself. That one I go still teach una how to do am. Na so we go see am for now. If you enjoy this one, well, you fit also get am for our YouTube account, and how that one go be, you go YouTube and you all the things we dey do for inside there. When you bring out the account, you go see many things wey be say we don put there for una to see. So na so e be. My name still remain Akeem Sumono. Make una dey enjoy una Android. Una bye bye.